Let's see if we can figure out why the wipers won't work. Okay, let's look at the washer wiper fuse. Turn the key to on. And we have power on both sides. Yeah, red's power, green's ground. Unplug that. Let's turn the ignition on and the wipers on and see what we got. Nothing. Right there. In the middle. Nothing over there. Now wipers are on low. Nothing there. Nothing there. Alright, there's 3 terminals on this switch. Power on this one. Power on that one. And the one in the back we have nothing. That's off, low, high, nothing on the back terminal, or the far left terminal. Let's go over here into the middle. We got power, low, high, nothing happens. And then we got the far right terminal with power, and then nothing happens when we move the switch to either low or high. Okay, I think we have a bad switch. Okay, let's see. This is a $50 switch because it's old and they don't make them much. Well, okay, somebody makes them, but you can't find them at the local auto parts store. They're like a specialty supplier. I almost stabbed myself there. Dude. Okay. This is why I wear gloves almost all the time while working on cars. Oh yeah. No contact on any position in the switch. Okay. I was getting ahead of myself pulling it apart. Gotta validate my concern first. Pop it apart. Springy things. And this is supposed to connect to ground, and I don't think that was connecting. This is supposed to connect to right there, and it wasn't, so we'll fix that part of it. Okay, we'll clean this up. This ground bus just came out of there. Let's see if this works. Which way is it going? That way. Okay. Not too great either. This is kind of necessary to get most of the goop off of here. I don't have the little wire wheel attachment. I broke that a long time ago. Huh, so that thing does push in. That's your washer. Yeah, the mechanical action forces this to low when you push wash. My ground bus should be hooked up to that. Let's see. Is this the washer? Yep. Okay, ground that one for washer. Low. Still having issues. Alright, let's pop it back apart. This thing is still having trouble grounding. Okay, right now it's on low. I think they all should be grounded on low. Except for the washer. Cool. To make sure that we have plenty of lube in here. Washer. Low. That one grounds. High it doesn't. Okay. And then the middle one should ground on low and high. I think we have a working switch now. Let's reinstall this switch. I'll have to plug in when I get back there. Alright, let's see if it works. Okay, the ignition is on. Switch. Alright. Low. High. Nothing. Okay, I failed at my first attempt. You know what I failed to do? I failed to plug it in behind the dash. Okay, that's plugged in now. Low. Works. High works. Although it's not a whole lot faster than low. It is a little faster. Let's try the washer. We'll have to work on the washer. Hey, I wonder if this is why the washer isn't working. Okay, when I push the button to washer, this bleed should turn green, it grounds. Hopefully that's what happened. Okay, so that one grounds, and then this one is always hot. Okay, hot on the left, ground on the right. So what we'll do is we will ground this side there, and we'll put power straight onto it, and let's see what happens here. No squirts. Relay clicks. Washer motor doesn't go. Alright, I don't know much about mouse life, but you gotta be hitting rock bottom when you're going for washer fluid for your fix. Looks like you hit the mother load right there. Chewed all through that, going for the washer fluid reservoir. Now, I've never tasted washer fluid, but it's gotta be nasty. So today, we're gonna get the squirts all situated. We're replacing the washer fluid pump and the reservoir, and all the lines that the mouse chewed through. Let's start by unplugging the washer pump and take this off of here. Now we can crack these loose. It says, note, read all instructions before starting installation. Okay, yeah. Alright, got it. Alright, I'm just going to line that up with that and install this thing. Oh, one thing I noticed is this little switch here, this is wearing out. It's wearing right through that copper there. Won't be too long before, once that fails, maybe we need some whole new assembly. I don't know. Well, let's get this out here. Pop this guy out of here. Oh, it's bolted in there. Crack, 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 crack. Well, the new one's not going to go on in the same place as the old one, but it looks like it'll fit right there. I think that'll work. New hose on. So plug this guy in there. Well, I don't have any black hose, so we'll have to go with the clear stuff. There. I think that would look nice. Let's put some fluid in there. Pour them out. Let's see if we can find this pump here. Alright, all the way up to the washer wipers. Got the window wet. Oh, there you go. Getting me wet. Put no top on this thing. Alright. This works.